Men are dead after police found their bodies in a car in downtown St. Louis. Tonight, we're learning more about what happened, and we're hearing from their friends. 5 on your side's Diamond Palmer is in studio with new details on this investigation.
Well, Mike and Ann, friends of the two women say everything is still very fresh, but they remember the women as always being positive.
Monday afternoon, two women were found in their car dead on Lucas Avenue with no obvious signs of trauma. Law enforcement sources say it's being investigated as a likely drug overdose. A friend told 5 on your side they had a lot of positive energy and were very funny. They did everything together. They will be missed for sure. It's hard to talk about it because it's still fresh in my mind.
It still tells us that there is so much work to be done, that this is definitely a topic that we're very much concerned about, and there's a lot of steps that people can take to prevent overdose in their communities.
Stacey Zellen with Prevent Ed says her agency works to prevent and reduce the harms associated with substance use. Zellen says the stigma surrounding substance abuse is something they want to change.
Stigmatizing people who use drugs is definitely not going to help the problem. When people feel stigmatized, it makes them less likely to talk about their experiences and less likely to reach out for help. So by reducing stigma, changing the language that we use, and also just viewing substance use disorder as a brain disease, that's something that can be incredibly helpful.
Recent city data reveals in 2022 there were 487 overdose deaths, which rose from 452 in the year 2021. Zellen says nobody should be afraid to alert emergency services in order to save a life.
Sometimes we hear this concern that they're going to get in trouble, and that's why here in Missouri we have 911 Good Samaritan laws, which offers protection from prosecution if someone calls for help in a medical emergency.
Prevent Ed offers free Narcan at 4 locations in St. Louis, St. Clair, Washington, and Union. Their next overdose education and Narcan training will be February 15th from 12 to 1 virtually.